Today we will speak about rain. But hold on, ladies, I'm not speaking about the Korean actor and K-pop singer. No, I'm just speaking about the water falling from the sky. So this rain is today's So, what's so special about Korean rain? Korean rain is like in lots of Asian countries, a monsoon rain. It starts from about mid-June and ends about mid-July. So, what is monsoon rain? Well, monsoon comes from an Arabic word that I will not try to pronounce here. You've already heard my English. And this word means season. Monsoon is originally seasonal winds. And if monsoon comes from an Arabic word, it's no coincidence. Because Arab people used those winds to travel by sea. And that's how Arab people could make the link between India and the Western world, and that's why we used Indo-Arabic numerals, for instance. How does this work? Let me explain. Land warms up and cools down faster than the sea, which means in winter the land is cooler than the sea. So the air from the sea rises and the air from the land gets towards the sea. That makes a wind coming from the continent towards the sea, and that is why Korean winter is very cold and very dry, because the wind comes from Siberia. And in summer it's the opposite. The land is very hot, quicker than the sea, and the air from the land rises, and then the wind comes from the sea towards the land. The air from the sea is, of course, very moist. When this air reaches the land and meets some mountains, that makes rain clouds. So, what's so special about Korea that is not in other countries? Well, when you think about like India, the rainy clouds, they just go towards the land and then hit the Himalayas and cannot go over it. So the monsoon rains stay there for a long while. In Korea it's quite different, because there's a lot of mountains in Korea, but not very high. So after a while, those rainy clouds, they will pass over the land and continue and rain a little bit northern from Korea. And that's why you have a rainy season that is about 1 month in Korea, and only 1 month. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time for next Korean Things Explained.